Suppose we have this quarter circle with radius of 8 units. If we draw the largest circle that can be inscribed inside, what is the area of the shaded region? First, let us locate the center of the circle. Then let's draw two radius to the two tangent points of the circle and quarter circle. Recall that a radius to the tangent line on the circle is always perpendicular to that same tangent line. Therefore, we have right angles at the tangent points as shown. A quarter circle also has a right central angle. Three right angles ensure we have a square where the sides are equal to the radius of the inscribed circle. Let D be the diagonal of the square. Applying the Pythagorean theorem on the highlighted right triangle, we have D squared is equal to R squared plus R squared. If we add R squared plus R squared, we get 2R squared. Taking the square root of both sides gives us D equals R square root of 2. Next, if we add the diagonal D and the radius R, the length is equal to the radius of the quarter circle, which is 8. So we have D plus R equals 8. Substitute D equals R square root of 2 into the equation. We get R square root of 2 plus R is equal to 8. On the left side equation, take out the common factor R to get R times square root of 2 plus 1. Then divide both sides by square root of 2 plus 1. Cancel out to isolate R. Using calculator, radius is approximately 3.31. This is the required area. Assume this is A1. By symmetry, this region is also A1. Next, assume this is A2, and let's say the area of the square is A3. So the twice of area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 is equal to the area of the quarter circle. Say the area of the quarter circle is A4. Area 2 is the area of 3/4 of a circle, which means 3/4 times pi times radius squared. Area 3 is the area of a square with sides r, therefore the area is r squared. The area of quarter circle is 1/4 times pi times its radius squared. It's important to note here that the radius of the quarter circle is different from the radius of the inscribed circle. The radius r of the circle is 3.31. Meanwhile, the radius of the quarter circle is 8. The value of this term is 25.8. This is approximately 11. 8 squared is 64. And 64 divided by 4 is 16, so this becomes 16 pi. Transpose 25.8 and 11 to the other side and change the signs. Evaluate the right side. We should get 13.5. Finally, divide both sides by 2. The value of area 1 is 6.75 square units. That's the area of the shaded region. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more amazing math puzzles.